So I'm using my T25, my little Torx that I keep in my toolbox. You guys are going to see the pictures of those. It should pop up sometime right about now. And I loosen these up gently. I'm taking them off gently because I don't want all of this to fall apart. Because, well, it kind of becomes a pain in the backside then. Now I'm taking the bottom one all the way out. Now it comes with a washer. Sorry, I have one of those lights that turns off every once in a while. So it has a washer on it, and this is the one that comes off. Now my assistant is going to be handing me a long bolt, my washer, which is a long plastic washer, and he's going to be handing me the piece over on this side. That right there, yep. Now, to put this on, it literally is just this thing here. This is where your cup actually hooks onto. I've got it loose now, so when I put it on, I can adjust where I want my cup. I've got the bottom off because, well, you don't want it on real tight to start with. And this has to sit on here, and you want it spaced a little bit. So it goes on about like that, which makes it a little longer. Now I need the Allen wrench. Now I would have my, unless you have all kinds of paperwork done, and this is not designed for kids and stuff. Yes, kids can watch it, I don't care. I don't have kids on it. So I'm now taking the top off. And he's going to get me the other short one and the other spacer. The reason you leave it loose is when you spin it back around, you've got to be able to get your spacer and your bolt in there. And you don't want that to move too much. So you use your Allen wrench to tighten it back down. Now, I just thought of something I forgot. I need the Loctite. Why do you use Loctite? Well, a lot of people ask why use Loctite on anything, and it's because bikes shake and they wiggle a bit. So he's gonna hand me the Loctite. Now, I have no idea where that just went. Okay. Now I've got it on here and I'm trying to figure out where the placement is I want it. Now if I put it too far over that way, I can't have my camera, and I like having my camera sitting here and it's facing me. So I think right about here is going to be good. It's a little over the tank, but going back and forth, it's not going to hit. If I have it too far over that way, it's not real good. So I think right about here, it's not blocking any of my controls. And it just wants to put, maybe I'm mistaken, that's a Torx 25 too. Yes, it is a Torx 25, I'm an idiot. Sorry, Road Reality, I'm still in your line. Okay.